Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got on TopMan and ASOS. About maybe 2 weeks ago, these are the two separate orders, so I got the ones on TopMan first, and then I went on ASOS. I keep going to say ASOS, but it's ASOS, okay? I don't know, how do you say it wherever you're from? Is it ASOS or ASOS? I still flabbergasted. But anyway, I went to TopMan first and I picked up a couple of things. I only got like a few things in TopMan because I had the christening and I wanted to get something I could wear for the christening, and then I couldn't find anything, and then I went on a few days after that and I found lots of stuff and I had nothing to wear them. That's what I got in ASOS. So I got like some stuff of ASOS that are more kind of winter themed. Like they're not very like summery. That's good because summer's over and I'll need stuff like when I'm in college when I got no money. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this haul. So I'm gonna start off with this pair of, what is that off? I'll start off with the TopMan stuff first because since I was there first, whatever. So the first thing I got on TopMan was this Tommy Hilfiger denim jacket. So it's real simple denim jacket. It has like, you know, the detailing on it, Tommy Hilfiger. This is such a comfy jacket. It's so comfy and it looks so nice with everything you wear. And then at the back has a really cool detail. It has like mixed denim, so you have 3 shades of denim here, which is really cool because it really broadens your kind of, so you can wear 3 different types of denim with this denim jacket instead of just having to find the exact match for this denim, which is really cool. And then like it has so much like cool details on it. Like on the buttons it says Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Jeans, New York, and then has the Tommy Hilfiger badge inside the buttons. It's just a really cool jacket, so I got that. This was on sale. Obviously I also didn't pay full price for it because I'm just a bit cheap like that. So anyway, I'm gonna leave the stuff I've shown you here. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing I got on TopMan. So I also got this pajama top. It's Calvin Klein and I got it because I really like the look of pajama tops. I don't know why, I just really like how they kind of like they button up low. I know, I think it's a bit like, you know, mysterious and seductive or whatever, but yeah, I got it. It's so soft. It's a bit Christmassy. I didn't know it would be this red in person, but it's pretty red and yeah, it's very Christmassy vibes. But you know what, I wore it out anyway and it was so comfy. And like, I mean, wearing pajamas out, like, I mean, can you get any better? No, I don't think so. So I wore this and it's really like, it's like nice and long and flowy and loose, and I just love this so much. So I got this. Let me shut up now and move on to the next thing. So then also in TopMan I got these trousers, these suit trousers. They're like a blush pink, so they're not like pink, they're like blush pink, so they're not like, you know, boom in your face. They're like kind of a bit more subtle and subdued and whatnot, and it's very like, you know, in colour at the minute. Oh my god, and the fly is down. But it's very in colour at the minute, so I got these. They're very tight. They're very tight. So I wasn't a fan of that, but I got these in the sale. They're only €20 on the sale, so I really want to get the bottoms tapered though, like get them like tailored so like they're a bit like more tight at the bottom, because at the minute they kind of go down and then they kind of go out at the bottom. Oh, oops, I just forgot the hanger, which isn't a cute look, so I'd like to get them tailored a bit. But yeah, anyway, I got them. Okay guys, so that's all I got on TopMan. I just got them 3 things, and I also got this knuckle thing, but like it was like way too big, so I just got rid of it straight away. It was only like €7 in the sale, so like, I mean, I'm not going to ask for a refund, but let's move on to what I got in ASOS. So first of all, I picked up these trackies because I don't have a lot of tracksuit bottoms, and I like these ones because they're a bit like dressier than normal tracksuit bottoms, so you can like wear them like, you know, as you run around the place, you don't just look lazy, you can look a bit put together without making too much of an effort. And they're so comfy because I wore these to the cinema and I was super comfy. So it's navy and then has this taping along the sides. It's really cool. But yeah, they're very comfy. I got a size too small. Like, see, I have a really weird body shape, so like I got a size small because I thought, okay, medium would be too big for like my waist, but the small is too small for my legs. So like it's like 3/4 length on me, but you know, it's a look. It's I'm just gonna pretend that I meant to get them in that size. But yeah, so I got them. I really like them. I really like the color. It's something different. I don't have anything like that. So okay guys, so the next thing I got in ASOS was this kind of turtleneck, but it has a zipper. It's really cool. It's like short sleeve and it's really loose, so like I mean I feel like you get away with wearing this in the summer, but I mean I still feel like it's more so like kind of fall time, Christmas time, like winter time, around that time. Like I wouldn't go wearing this in the summer, even though it's very like light material. It's not like very thick. It's not a very thick material, so you could definitely get away with wearing this like probably in the summer, but I mean it is a turtleneck kind of style, so I probably wouldn't wear it. Oh my sweet Jesus, like shut up Bella. Oh. But yeah, I got this because like this would be so nice, you know, you can like layer it up, like, you know, with maybe like a jacket or a bomber jacket, I don't know, like a shirt. You can wear a shirt over it, like, you know, get really cool with it. But I really like that, so that's the second thing I got. And then the next top I got was this. It's like a white oversized t-shirt and it has this really cool print on it. Yeah, okay, so this is by some place called Reclaim Vintage. So when I seen this I thought, okay, this would be so cool, it might be like a vintage top, like, you know, it's like so old or whatever. But no, when I got it first it felt very like plasticky, like, you know, like very, it didn't feel very soft, it was very kind of hard material, so I wasn't, mother of sweet God. But anyway, this is it. It's like oversized, so I wore this with these trackies, and you know what, it was comfy, it did the job. It, don't want to say it said on the box, it's like, I do like it, like, I mean, it's not my favorite thing that I got, but I swear to God, it's not my favorite thing I got, but like, you know, I still think it's pretty cute, so I still like it. But anyway, moving on to more exciting things. I got this. Oh, this is so. What in the fuck? Anyway, I got this. It's like a Borg kind of worker jacket. That's what they call it on the side. Like, I mean, I'm working, but it's really freaking nice. I love it. So like, it all opens up. All the buttons open up. I haven't even tried this on yet, so like I can't wait to try this on. But this can be so nice in winter time, you know, because I have like a kind of Borg jacket, but it's like a really long one, and like, I mean, that's a bit more like, you know, out there this is a bit more like subtle and, you know, subdued and all that kind of good stuff. And it's by ASOS, so it's like an ASOS own brand thing. The label even still on, like I haven't even used this yet, but yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this a lot. And then the last thing I got was this duffel jacket, it's called, or a duster jacket. I think it's called a duster jacket, but it's this black and white kind of plaid print. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it is so light, it is so flowy, it is just amazing. Like, I wore this when I went for dinner one night. I wore it with my jeans, my shoes, and a white t-shirt, and like literally just simple outfit underneath, and then you put this on and next thing you're a fucking supermodel. Like, it's so nice. I love it, and it's, you just feel like so like boss like and empowered when you wear it. Like, it's kind of like an interview jacket, you know what I mean, like the jacket you wear when you want to get a job or you want to go out and like conquer the world. Like, it's that kind of a jacket. Like, I love it so much. Like, you could easily dress this up, you could dress it down. You know, when you're traveling, you could wear like a hoodie, trackies, shoes, and then just throw this over, and it's like, hi, I'm here to kill it. So yeah, it's freaking amazing. So I love it. It's by a brand called Milk It. Yeah, so I love it. Okay guys, and thus this is the end of another haul. It's not a super massive one. I know I'm probably gonna title it huge whatever haul, but that's just so you look like in the video and see me and like maybe subscribe, I don't know. But I really do hope you enjoyed this. This is actually my 100th video on my channel. I was going to do my room tour for my 100th video, but I'm still waiting on stuff to arrive. So, and of course everything's been delayed. I just got an email there today saying that my package has been pushed back because I don't know, something happened that it's been delayed. But it will be coming. Hopefully, I'm not going to say a date because if I say a date or a day, you'll get excited and then I'll end up disappointing you, and I don't want to disappoint you. So just know it's coming soon, before the end of the summer. Before the end of the summer, so before the end of August, it's definitely going to be up, and I have so much more amazing videos planned. Like I'm not even going to give them away. I'm not going to give them away because you have to subscribe and turn that notification bell on, just so you know. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.